These are two mowers I get today. Both of them are 6-speeds. This one just maybe end up being a parts one. That works. The other one's froze up. Now it doesn't have wheels on the back. They both have Tecumsehs. This one ain't so bad. Lens is... Oh crap, I just cracked that. Lens is hanging on. Girl's cracked. Down here that's cracked too. See on that side. That one's at 15.5, and I think that, yeah, that one's 14.5. Been sitting for a while. Oh. Yeah. This one's froze up. Seat looks wonderful. Ooh, that moves. Looks like there used to be lights on the dash. Nobody if those still work. Keys in it. Yeah, like I said, this one has Tecumseh and that filter needs to be changed. Yep, this one's a 15.5 horse Tecumseh. Not a fan of these engines. Ooh. These gas caps, is there any crap in there? Ooh. Ooh. Actually doesn't look bad. I want to see what the oil looks like. Maybe. Well, has oil. It's full. See, turn over. Under it one-handed. Yeah, lights are there. This is a Noma. I looked it up. It's made by MTD. Of course it is. Because why wouldn't it be? The tires don't look bad at all. That one's on that turbo. Yeah, this one's rough. Bunch of moss crap growing on it. Yeah, this side's the same. Key there. That must be for the... I'm thinking about it playing with that. That can teach me. Does that say? 43-inch deck. Tires don't look bad though. Who knows what underneath it looks like? This one just might be used for parts. Because there's no spark plug in it. The engine's bed froze up and you can see a mouse nest. How wonderful is that? There's just a bunch of crap in there. Just don't know if you can see that. There's a nest in there. It's wonderful. Yeah, there's a bunch of garbage in there. I don't think that, no, that doesn't have anything to tank about the... Oh? Oh, this one. Okay. Jeez. Kind of hard. There we go. Just loosened up. I This one turns over. I don't think this one even turns over because I just tried and it will not turn over. I think it's packed crap. That one turns over because I already tried. Well, I guess that's it. Forgot. I had the deck, too. I also had the hood. I also had part of the seat, what's left. The hood smashed, of course. Yeah, it gets worse. Oh, there's water inside the lens. Someone tried fixing it. That's just junk.